Hi, it's Wendy, and today I'm going to talk about the need to be patient when you're communicating with other people. Do you find yourself getting a little impatient listening to somebody else talk, waiting for your turn to talk? Yeah, I know. We in this very fast-paced world, we've got so many things that we need to do, so many things that we're trying to get done, that we can obviously get a little impatient at times. So it is important to have some patience when you are speaking with other people and listening to what they've got to say. So I'm going to give you a few tips to help you be a little more patient. Practice active listening. That's my first tip. So, one of the key elements in being patient when you're communicating is to actively listen to the people you're communicating with. Give them your full, undivided attention. Don't interrupt them. Don't jump to any conclusions. Don't start thinking about what you're going to say before they've even finished speaking. Instead, try to focus on their perspective, focus on their feelings and their needs, and really give your full attention to what they're saying. When you do that, that active listening, that demonstrates respect, and it helps build better connections with other people. So, number 2, try to cultivate empathy. So, developing empathy is absolutely crucial for being more patient in communications with other people. Try to put yourself in the shoes of others rather than thinking of what you need to get across, what your beef is. So try to consider their point of view and put yourself in the shoes of other people. That's what being empathic means. When you're speaking, consider their background, their experience, their age, their situation, their emotions, because all of those factors could be influencing their behaviour and their communicating style and their ability to communicate. Empathy allows you to respond more from a point of view of compassion and understanding rather than being very reactive and getting frustrated because they may be speaking slowly or taking their time. So just recognize that everyone has their own unique perspective. And if you can foster that patience, and you will create a much more positive interaction. Now, the third tip I'm going to give you is to take a pause before responding. So when you're faced with a situation which actually really does test your patience, and look, we've all been there, even with the best intentions, our patience can get tested. Take a moment to pause, collect your thoughts, gather your thoughts, before reacting aggressively or reacting out of frustration. Take a deep breath. So what this pause does, it gives you the opportunity to choose your next words, your response very carefully. It gives you an opportunity to choose your tone and attitude as well, to help you avoid making any impulsive judgments, any impulsive statements, and any perhaps aggressive or passive aggressive reactions. So this will allow you to respond in a more composed and a more considerate manner. I hope those 3 tips help you to be a little more patient the next time you are speaking to somebody else. Good luck.